Great being here, and hopefully next year we could do this in person.
Yes, yes, it's hope of every one of us. So I just started to introduce you to our audience. So Moshe is a founder and managing partner at the law firm Medved and Co. And he is also uh, he's closing a lot of deals at the same time. He's VC advocate that know how to create and impactful deals for his clients, and represents a lot of venture capitalists here in Israel from all over the world. So Moshe, since you're the one of our, I ask same question, the first question, I just same question to our speakers, that pretty general, that sounds like please tell us what the situation impacted, how the situation impacted on the ecosystem of innovation in Israel. So you can choose everything that you want to. This is general questions. So you're free to talk. Yeah.
So from my prisma, from my point of view, and looking back at the past 8 months and since this epidemic started, and the Israeli ecosystem, which really is a unique ecosystem, I can say that there were two or even three phases that I can identify as an attorney that serves both venture capital funds from all over the world and in Israel, as you said, and serves local Israeli companies and startups that are raising funds. I could say that the first stage was shock. Okay, I think we entered into a month or two of shock where things weren't canceled, but things were definitely frozen. Okay, and things were sort of taking longer to finish than usual. People were working from home, kids were out of school, things were moving around a lot, and I think that the first stage was shock. I think the second stage, what happened for the following few months afterwards, if we're talking about, let's say, April and May and whatever, then we definitely saw a time for reorganization, for where people were suddenly, getting all into their cutting their burn rate and reorganizing their organizations from working from home, and just going into this whole understanding that the epidemic is not leaving us; it's staying with us at least for the next near future of half a year, maybe even longer. Hopefully not. And people were reorganizing their operations in order to adapt to the situation. And I think that right now, in the past 2 months, I've seen the phoenix rising from the ashes, where the ecosystem basically said, we're going to use this. We're going to take this reorganization that we've done and sort of use this as an opportunity to jump and move forward faster and quicker and larger than we ever did before. And we could see that from all the data. We could see the numbers going up. I'm seeing VCs closing deals faster, quicker, larger valuations, larger check sizes. More deals are happening now, and it's quite crazy and weird and fantastic all in the same time.
Great. Moshe, do you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah. Any legal tips for startups in such a time?
Well, I think that, I'm sure that others have spoken or will speak about the importance of, again, adapting yourself to the situation by cutting your burn rate, by understanding working from home and all that. But I would say that on the legal front, people need to understand how to negotiate, from afar, how to not meet face-to-face with their, investors, how to be able to present their cases from afar, and how to basically do all of these transactions from afar. And basically, the legal tips would also, take it easy, be a little bit smoother with the investors, and understand that we're all trying to close deals together. We're all trying to help the ecosystem, and be a little bit less picky about the specifics.
Stay there, stay there. Thank you, Moshe. Yeah, So I think that that's it. Thank you very much for your time, and great opportunity to see you here. And as you said, hope next time, as your father said, Shana Haba in Kiev.
Bezrat Hashem, we look forward to seeing all of you. Sorry for the delay, and hopefully the ecosystem and the Israeli and Ukrainian deals can grow and keep on growing, even though we're in these challenging times.
Thank you. Bye bye.